Welcome to the Case Study Series in Business and Government Relations by Skilled MBA. The CHIPS program is a $39 billion initiative designed to revitalize America's semiconductor industry. It focuses on securing critical technology supply chains, fostering domestic innovation, and generating thousands of high-tech jobs. This bold strategy aims to restore the United States' competitive edge in semiconductor manufacturing, addressing both economic resilience and national security concerns in an increasingly tech-driven global landscape. In 2023, the United States confronted a pivotal moment in semiconductor manufacturing. Global competition surged, and supply chains faltered, reducing America's global chip production share to 12%. This decline raised national security alarms. Building modern semiconductor fabs demands substantial investment, with each facility costing $10–20 billion. The CHIPS and Science Act marked a legislative breakthrough. In July 2022, Congress passed it with bipartisan support. By August, the President signed it, allocating $39 billion for manufacturing incentives. By February 2023, the Commerce Department established the CHIPS Program Office, and in March, the first funding opportunity with a novel structure was announced. Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo's team devised a novel funding approach, diverging from traditional models. This strategy aimed to balance accountability with flexibility, ensuring effective use of resources while adapting to the unique challenges of the CHIPS initiative. This innovative method set the stage for a more dynamic and responsive funding process. Pre-application streamlined the process, enhancing readiness and pipeline management. Milestone-based funding ensured accountability, aligning incentives with performance to minimize waste. Upside sharing aligned public-private incentives, allowing government participation in financial success while companies retained control. Rolling applications maintained agility, enabling continuous improvement and adaptation to market changes. The high-stakes risk landscape involves financial risk with billions of taxpayer dollars at stake and uncertain returns. Global competition intensifies as China and the European Union offer massive subsidies to attract semiconductor investments. Execution risk arises from complex multi-year projects, while security risk involves supply chain vulnerabilities and intellectual property concerns critical for national defense. Excessive control in semiconductor policy can stifle innovation, slow decisions, and increase bureaucracy, discouraging private investment. Conversely, too much flexibility risks taxpayer money, reduces accountability, and may not achieve policy goals, creating political vulnerability. Striking the right balance is crucial for effective policy implementation and fostering a competitive semiconductor industry. The NOFO design process involved analyzing global competition by studying incentive programs in Taiwan, South Korea, the European Union, and China. Industry stakeholders, including semiconductor companies and universities, provided input to identify key concerns. A novel funding structure was designed with pre-applications, milestone funding, and upside sharing, balancing efficiency with accountability. Detailed application guidelines and evaluation criteria were established. The CHIPS program prompts critical inquiries into industrial policy design. How should governments effectively fund high-stakes innovation? What balance between control and flexibility ensures success? How can public goals align with private sector execution? Lastly, can metrics effectively drive accountability in complex programs? The entrepreneurial government model involves identifying market failures where private markets fall short in addressing national needs. It designs targeted interventions with funding models that overcome specific barriers while maintaining market dynamics. By partnering with the private sector, it leverages expertise to ensure public benefits. Outcomes are measured against policy goals, adjusting strategies based on results. The CHIPS Act dedicates $200 million to workforce development, a crucial element for its success. This investment aims to equip workers with the necessary skills to meet the demands of the semiconductor industry, ensuring a robust talent pipeline that supports innovation and competitiveness in the United States manufacturing sector. Major manufacturers are committing over $200 billion to new United States investments, significantly influenced by CHIPS incentives. These projects are pivotal in reshaping the semiconductor landscape, enhancing domestic production capabilities, and reducing reliance on foreign supply chains. This strategic move is crucial for bolstering national security and economic resilience. The CHIPS program encompasses the entire semiconductor ecosystem, including research and development in universities and labs, chip design and intellectual property development, and manufacturing and fabrication plants. It also covers equipment and materials, and packaging and testing for quality assurance. This holistic approach ensures comprehensive support beyond just manufacturing plants. Evaluating the notice of funding opportunity requires assessing the novel funding structure's effectiveness, ensuring robust accountability measures, and balancing public-private interests. Additionally, it must be adaptable to technological changes. Would you approve the current draft, or does it need further redesign to meet these critical considerations? Skilled MBA delves into policy, leadership, and innovation through strategic case studies. Our focus includes industrial policy, technological innovation, and strategic leadership. For more insights, visit our website or contact us via phone or email. Located in Modinagar, National Capital Region, India, we are dedicated to advancing knowledge in these critical areas. For more information, visit our website at https://skilledmba.com or contact us directly at support@skilledmba.com. See Plum 91 8755300795. Thank you for exploring strategic policy initiatives with Skilled MBA. We are committed to helping you connect public policy with real-world business implications for sustainable global impact.